Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Ventilation is very important in the engine room space as oxygen is to the lungs. Without oxygen, you'll die. Literally. In some cases where the arch covers are open, you won't really need ventilation because the arch covers are open and air can get into the engine room. But if not, ventilation is needed.
Okay, let's go.
It seems always noisy in the engine room. Air comes in from the air filters outside. I hope it provided you with some knowledge and insight in the marine engineering on board a vessel. Like, share, and please subscribe. Thank you guys.